Look at it. Hello, everybody. Like. Anyway, hello, everybody. We are making slime. We're making, like, the slime keeps farting. We don't know why, though. That's kind of funny. Anyway,
Because it's like a pupil.
yeah. I'm with my cousins. There's one. Say hi.
Why?
And then over here, Mom, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Carly, say hi. Shy girl.
Daddy.
Shy girl. Okay, so that's all we're doing. That's all we're doing right now, guys. Making slime. We're making putty. Farting putty. Anyway, we have like 12 freaking bags of slime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like literally like 5 bags of slime. And we're just like playing with it all right now.
So Kai was here, but she left. Right, Mama?
Yeah, my friend was here, but she left. Are you sad that she left? Or do you just want to hang out with May now?
I just want to hang out with you now.
Do you love me?
Yes.
She's my cousin, so she has to love me.
And
Is that fun? Spray it to me. Wait, hold on.
I want to spray my slime first.
Okay. She's gonna spray me because I sprayed her.